Good afternoon, students, 7th grade students. Hi, it's me, Mr. Stark, and today we're going to be looking at how we're going to graph some information, some temperatures, highs and low temperatures that we'll be recording in our Jeffers Journal throughout the year. We will be using the Weather Underground app on your iPad or on the website, Weather Underground website. There you're able to dial in the weather for a city like Little Falls, which I've got up on the screen right now. And from there, you're going to look for the calendar of, so click on the calendar, and the calendar will take us to what the weather has been, what the highs and the lows have been over the month of September. So we're going to start on the 8th because that's when school started, and then we'll do through the 14th. We've got the actual highs and lows here on the calendar. So the 8th was the high of 52 and 39, and so that data has been collected off of there, and then I brought it over to this little graph that I'm going to show you how we're going to be graphing things. So September 8th we had a high of 52, so I put a dot there. This is the 2nd, the 4th, the 6th, the 8th of September. This would be the 10th, the 12th, and so on. You'll see that at the bottom of your graph. So on the 8th it was 52, the 9th it was 52, the 10th it shot up to 62, and then the 11th 62, and then down to 61 on the 12th, up to 67 on the 13th, and the 14th was 71, and that's all we've recorded there. We use red for indicating the high temperature. We're using blue to indicate the low temperatures. So then we had 39 right here, down to 32, down to 31, up to 34, and then shot up to 52, down to 48 for a low, and then up to 52 on the 14th. So that's what we're going to be doing with this, and I'm going to have you be working on that today in your on your graph, and then this will be something that will be glued into your journal once we get our journals back and turned or delivered to school. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye.